Okay, so I'm going to be removing the flusher handle. I'm going to be removing this nut right here. So I'm going to be using an adjustable wrench. Okay, now that it's loose, you could just hand loosen it. Okay, now, this is the one that came out. It's cracked over here, so it needed to be replaced. And here is the one I'm replacing it with. So as you can see, it's pretty similar. And this is very inexpensive. You can purchase this for just a few dollars at a home center. It comes with the hardware. So I'm going to install the new one. Okay, so this comes off, and you just have to put this through like so. Put the nut on. Now, to tighten this, it's counterclockwise. Okay, that's hand tight, so I'm just going to take a wrench. And just hand tighten it. There you go. That's how to replace flusher handle. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.